right here, I get you married. Facts. Hands down. You wear this to bed, your man's not gonna be one, like, he's not gonna want to stop being on you. Like, and that's just on period, sis. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tsquarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Follow by clicking the bell that's right next to the subscribe button to be notified on every single video I upload, because frankly, why would you want to miss one? Lastly, give me a thumbs up, share this video, because it's going to help me out a lot, and it's definitely going to help a lot of you ladies out a lot. Alright you guys, so normally you know that I film like vlogs and like, you know, pranks and stuff like that with my boyfriend and everything, but because it's back to school time, I feel as though I need to help my girls that are going back to high school, elementary school, middle school, college, whatever, with Hygiene 101. I feel like I slacked a lot on YouTube this summer, so I want to come back really strong. I'm gonna give you a little secret right now. You might want to stay tuned to the end. So like I said, we're going to be doing Hygiene 101, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to look, smell, and taste good for your man, for yourself, for whatever the occasion is. I'm going to be teaching you guys my hygiene routine and just giving you guys tips on, you know, how to smell good, taste good, look good, all those tips. So if you guys want to hear some of that, then please stay tuned. Starting out with this hygiene routine or whatever, I want to just basically talk about like the inside of your body. A lot of us forget about the inside of our body, and we only think that we have to take care of the outside of our body, lotion, do all the other stuff to the outside of our body, but we don't put the right foods in the inside of our body, and that's where we get those bad smells from. Like, a lot of us don't know, or a lot of you guys don't know, that some of the foods that you're consuming make your hoo-ha smell bad, make your sweat smell bad, make any part of your body smell bad, because whatever goes in has to come out, no matter what way it's coming out. So if it's coming out through your piss, through your bowel movements, through your sweat, it's coming out. So my biggest tip would definitely be changing up your diet. If you're seeing foods that like dairy or red meat, I really barely eat, if any, red meat. I actually just started to try to transition over to a vegetarian, and then eventually I want to be a full vegan. A plant-based diet is definitely more healthier for your body, more healthier for your skin, and as I change up my diet, I definitely see a lot of weight loss coming in. My skin looks better and everything. So hygiene tip number one, what you put in has to come out, whether it's through your skin or any way. So definitely check your diet, make sure that that's good before you move on to these next tips. So my next tips we're going to be talking about is oral hygiene. I feel like a lot of us, not a lot of us, but some of us slack on oral hygiene, and I feel as though that this is what people first see. But when you walk up to somebody and shake their hand and you say hi, and your breath smells like hi, a lot of people judge you off of how you smell, how you carry yourself. You do not have to have the most expensive clothes on, but if you have on clean clothes and you smell clean, you'll leave a better impression than somebody who came up with some busted clothes and smelled bad. The oral hygiene stuff that I use on a daily, I brush my teeth after every meal, and I also floss, and I carry mouthwash in my bag. So if I'm at home, I'll brush my teeth after a meal, but if I'm at a restaurant, I'll pop some like Listerine or something like that in my mouth, just because you want to have good smelling breath. You don't want to approach somebody or meet a guy out at, and you know, you're at the club and you meet a guy and he's like, hey baby, what's up, and then your breath is smelling like, hey baby, what's up. And the toothpaste that I use is Colgate. I also use Crest as well. This is my travel size one that I have from when I was in LA. I use any generic toothbrush. They also say that electric toothbrushes are really good. So I do have a full skincare routine. I'm not going to go over that in this video. If you guys do want me to do a skincare routine, tell you how I got some of this acne scarring away, I can definitely do that. But for now, I just want to say I cleanse my face every day. I use a scrub, but it's not really a harsh scrub that can like hurt your skin. I do exfoliate about 2 to 3 times out of a week. I'm not a dermatologist, so I don't know if that's how much you're supposed to do it. That's just how much I do it, and that's what works for me. I use a toner only at night though, but I do use facial mist in the morning. But like I said, if you want me to do a whole skincare routine, I can do that. Just comment down below and let me know that you guys want me to do a skincare routine. Body hygiene, shower routine, and bath routine is my favorite part of this video, because frankly, it's very important. Very important. Taking a shower or bath twice a day plays a big part in your hygiene routine, the way your hygiene comes off and how you smell. If you have body odors and you're about to work out, I definitely recommend showering after you work out. If you're going outside and you're going to be sweaty, I definitely recommend when you come home to shower, because letting all that funk set on you is not a good look, especially for a woman. You don't want to be smelling super bad. Okay, so for me, I love to take baths. Baths help me really relax. I feel as though for me, I used to like to take super hot baths, but I noticed that when I took super hot baths, I couldn't stay in the tub for too long because I would get super hot and sweaty, and then also my skin would dry out after. So I recommend, if you're going to be taking a bath, try to take a bath that's like lukewarm to warm, close to super hot, but not too hot, where you can actually stay in there and relax and soak for a little bit. So definitely lukewarm baths. When setting up my bath, I don't like to use bath bombs. I'm just not a fan of them, but I do like bubble baths, and the bubble bath that I use is Dr. Till. Dr. Till is really good. It's like a aromatherapy type of brand, and it smells really good, and it just helps you relax. I use the soothing and sleep one, the relax and balanced one, and then there's like another calming and I use all of them basically. And then after once I get in the tub and I'm like, you know, done relaxing or whatever, it's time to like wash up. So the routine that I go by is I actually cleanse and then exfoliate my body. So what I do is I use a sensitive skin soap. My skin is kind of sensitive. Ever since I came back from Colombia, I can't really use scented soaps too much. So I like to use a sensitive skin one by Dove. That one works really good, and it gets me to where I need to be. I also like to use, it's called Rio, and it's a natural foaming feminine wash. When I wash my down there, I don't wash in between it with products. I usually just like water and stuff like that or whatever. I don't feel as though you should put any product actually in between the lips or whatever, but I do use this on like the base of it or whatever. And then I also use this one right here, and it's like a shower oil, and it works really well. It's so nice and it gets the job done. When I exfoliate, I actually got these little sugar cubes from BeautyCon when I went to BeautyCon LA. They gave me these Sunday Rain Feel Renewed exfoliating cubes, and they're basically like sugar cubes. So I use these ones, and then I just found these grapefruit sugar cubes from Target, so it's kind of like a dupe. I don't know exactly how much this one costs, because like I said, I got it from BeautyCon, but every single product that I mentioned in this video, I'll leave the links down below. But yeah, I use these little sugar cubes about twice a week, 2 to 3 times out of a week, and they work really good with like helping with skincare in general. Like it just helps my skin feel so smooth. Talking about shaving next, I'm not gonna go into too depth of like me shaving, because again, I want to make a separate video on how to like shave perfectly, and I just feel like this video would be too long if I made a whole shaving video right now. Okay guys, so when I'm talking about shaving, I want to let you guys know that I used to use a lot of like male razors, because like I feel like they get down there and they get all like the hair and stuff like that needs to be gotten, whereas the women razors like leave like sparse hairs and just doesn't do what I needed to do. But I recently found this flamingo razor is really good. It works good. It comes with I think 2 interchangeable heads, and it does the job, and it's only $10. And I also use the Flamingo shaving cream. I definitely recommend, if you're going to be shaving your body, to use a shaving cream, because you can cut your legs. It just doesn't look good, and it comes off way easier if you use a shaving cream. So I definitely recommend using the Flamingo shaving cream, because it works really good. If I'm being lazy, I'll just Nair, because sometimes I just really don't feel like shaving. I just feel like I want to just put the Nair on, wipe it off, and go about my business. But if I have time, I like to shave, because it feels better, and for me it lasts longer. I don't know, I just like to use that. Once I'm done shaving my legs, I like to go in with a sugar scrub. I use the Soap and Glory sugar scrub. This one is really good for if you have strawberry legs. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's called like strawberry legs, where you have those like brown dots on your legs from after shaving. So definitely recommend using a sugar scrub after you shave, because it really helps with strawberry legs. With like lotioning on my body, this is a tip that I want to give you guys as a sidebar. If you're about to go outside after you shave your legs, so say like you're shaving your legs for like a date night or whatever, I recommend using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Lotion. You guys, this lotion makes your legs so smooth, so soft, just everything. And you can use this over your whole body. So after you got the shower and you're done shaving, you're done lotioning it up, you're done drying off, put this lotion on and you will thank me later. Also, put it in between your thighs. So my little secret that I'm gonna be telling you guys, if you're going outside on a date and like I said, you want to be really cute, use this lotion and then apply the Patrick Ta, what is this, the Major Glow body oil. If you want to be glistening in the sun and you want your date to be like, damn, like what did you do, why are you glowing so much, and little do he know it's this Patrick Ta and this freaking coconut oil, you just be like, you know, that's just me, boom. But really is this. Also, I love to like lather myself up with like body oils. So there are 2 body oils that I really use a lot, and they are is Jojoba Oil, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll link it down below. And then Evenly, however you say it. These 2 body oils, they're organic body oils, and they do me so much justice. They make my skin feel so nice. I look greasy as hell going to bed, but my skin is being nourished, and when I wake up the next morning, I'm gonna be a hashtag bad bitch. These will do you good, and organic body oils. And a lot of the stuff that I'm mentioning in this video, you can get this off of Amazon. And again, these can go really, really good. And between the thighs. So of course, there's another body cream that I use. It's really, really nice. It's more on the pricier side, but I got it from when I was at BeautyCon. They gave it to me, so, you know, I was going to try it out. Didn't know it was this expensive, but it's really, really nice. It's the Win Summer Melon Mint one, and it smells so freaking good. I wish you guys can smell this. Oh my God, like the lid is still on there, and it still smells so good. I literally use a little dab of it, and it can cover at least half of my body because that's how like hydrating it is. So good. It is on the pricier side. Like I said, it's about like $160, but guys, it is worth it. If you want to smell good, this right here, I get you married. Facts. Hands down, this will get you married. It smells so good. You wear this to bed, your man's not gonna be one, like he's not gonna want to stop being on you. Like, and that's just on period, sis. Like you wear this to bed, the wedding bells are ringing, the freaking cabbages are rocking because you're about to get some babies in there. So if you don't want to get pregnant or you don't want to get married, don't buy this. Bruh, that'll catch them. So after I'm done lotioning on my body, the last thing that I like to do is simply just spray on some deodorant or put on some deodorant. There is another organic deodorant that I actually want to try out because it doesn't have an aluminum in it. This clearly states in the bottle that it has aluminum in it, and that's not good for you. And aerosol cans are not good for you either. Like, it's not good for the environment. But guys, sometimes I'm just mad lazy, and after I've done all these steps, the last thing I want to do is this. Sometimes I just want to and be done. But then there's sometimes, you know, I got a little energy and I want to do that. But if I don't, I use this. And if I do have energy, I use this. But both of them work really, really good. Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk about, well, the last 2 things that I want to talk about, of course, is some perfumes that I use. I want to do a whole perfume collection, like on a budget. So if you guys want to know how I smell good on a budget, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys want to see that. But some of the perfumes that I use are literally all from Zara's, and my favorite one is the Dear Lilac one, and then also the, what is this, Gourmet Addict Bomb. These freaking perfumes, this big bottle of perfume costs us $25 versus a big bottle of perfume at like Sephora, or like, you know, buying it from like a big brand can cost you in the hundreds, and you can get like 4 of these for that price. This perfume lasts really, really long. I'm going to also tell you guys a trick for perfume. If you're going outside and you want to wear perfume, definitely recommend using the cocoa butter, and right after you use the cocoa butter, spray the perfume wherever you use the cocoa butter, and it kind of just makes the perfume last longer. I actually learned that working at Bath and Body Works. When you layer, it lasts longer. So that's a tip. Layer your perfumes with like a lotion or something like that, and it will last super, super long. And then going on to like going to bed, getting ready for bed, I feel like a lot of people don't mention this, or a lot of people don't want to mention this because I feel like they just think like, oh, that's not cute, you can't do that. I don't wear underwear with leggings. I'm just saying, like, if I'm going to work out, I'm not wearing some tight constricting underwear with leggings. And then also when going to bed, I do not wear underwear going to bed. Like, I just feel like it's just not for me, and it doesn't, like, you want to let that breathe. You want this down here to have like all the air possible. You want to be able to, like, you know, feel good. And then also it's just easy access, you know. But when you in the bed with your man, you know, like I said, when I'm in the house, I don't wear them. Like, I'll probably put on some sweatpants or some night pants, and I don't wear undies. And then when I'm going to bed, I probably wear a robe, you know, depending on what type of mood I'm in. Only time I would wear undies going to bed is when my friend is on. But other than that, I don't wear underwear, frankly, because I just feel like it constricts it, and you want to let that down there breathe and need some fresh air. So guys, that's some of my tips and tricks, guys. If you want more tips from me about hygiene or just anything in general, comment down below. If you have any tips that you want to share with my subscribers or you guys as a whole, because we're all besties, comment these tips down below. We want to make sure us girls going back to school smell good, look good, and everything possible. So help us out in the comments down below. Now let's get into what you guys are really waiting for. You guys, I'm going to be doing a back to school giveaway, and I'm going to be picking 3 winners to win. So the second and third place winner are going to be simply just winning a backpack full of school supplies, because you can never have too much school supplies, and frankly, who doesn't want free school supplies for school? Whether you're going to college, whether you're going to elementary school, whether you're going to anywhere, you want some free school supplies. And then the first place winner, you might as well say, is going to be winning an iPad mini and AirPods, and also a backpack full of school supplies. The rules are really simple to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, comment down below giving a tip or something about some hygiene, like a hygiene tip that you know. Comment that tip down below, and that just enters you right into the giveaway. As simple as that. So be subscribed, comment down below a hygiene tip, thumbs this video up, and share this video wherever you can share it, because we want to help our girls out for going back to school. We want to make sure our girls are smelling good, looking good, and making sure everything is just put together. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.